In our treatment plan, we have introduced a little change in here. Now, when you come into the treatment plan, you may or may not see it. If you don't see it, if it looks as it normally does, over on the right hand side, you've got a blue tab that says future appointments. If you drag that from the right hand side to the left, you will be able to save your view option once you've got your layout set up. Press save view options on the bottom left hand side, and as always with this button, this is a view option that is saved for this particular user that's logged in at the time. So someone can have this future appointments column on the right hand side visible, and another provider may not like to see it, so they can just drag it back to the right. Now this is showing all future appointments for this patient. You can also create new appointments from this same screen by using our appointment block search. So this will bring up your block search. It's telling you what appointments are available based on the parameters that we have set here. So we can click one of these, and that has created that 15-minute appointment that we need for that patient. So to close out of this block search, hit close on the top right hand side, and we've got our future appointment here. Now, if you want to drag in item numbers from the treatment plan and assign them to that appointment, you can simply drag the visits on the left hand side where you've got these dots. You can drag them and add them to an appointment. So now we can see in visit 2, those item numbers are anchored to the appointment on the 4th of the 3rd, 25. You can remove them by right-clicking, remove procedure from the appointment, and that will remove it like so. So dragging from the left into the appointment, and we can see those item numbers there just by clicking the drop down arrow on the right hand side here as well. You can drag them between appointments from here as well. So if you want to just drag a single item number to a different appointment, that can be achieved as well. If you have any questions about this new little change, please reach out to us.